Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting realm of YouTube channel advertising.
With the ever-growing competition in the digital space, it's crucial to
adopt effective strategies that will give your channel the visibility it deserves.
In this video, we'll share a step-by-step roadmap to advertise your YouTube channel successfully. So, grab a pen and paper, and let's get started.
Section 1. Understanding your target audience.
Before you embark on your advertising journey, it's vital to comprehend who your target audience is.
Building a channel without a clear understanding of your audience's needs and preferences is like sailing without a compass.
Research your niche thoroughly by exploring related content and analyzing audience engagement.
By gauging your viewers' interests, demographics, and psychographics, you'll be better equipped to tailor your advertising efforts for maximum impact.
Take advantage of YouTube analytics to gain valuable insights into your channel's performance.
Dive deep into viewer retention, demographics, and content interaction metrics offered by this powerful tool.
Don't shy away from feedback. It's an opportunity to understand your audience better and refine your content delivery.
Section 2. Crafting a captivating channel trailer. Now that you know your target audience, it's time to make a killer first impression with a captivating channel trailer.
Think of it as the elevator pitch for your channel, enticing potential viewers to hit that subscribe button. Start your trailer with an attention-grabbing hook that instantly communicates the value they will gain from subscribing.
Highlight the unique aspects of your channel, whether it's your expertise, entertaining content, or a distinct personality. Keep it concise, no more than 60 seconds, and remember to maintain a professional yet relatable tone throughout. Section 3. Optimizing your video titles and thumbnails. Now that you've captured their attention with your trailer, let's talk about optimizing individual elements such as video titles and thumbnails, which play a crucial role in attracting viewers in the crowded YouTube ecosystem. Craft attention-grabbing video titles that are descriptive, keyword-rich, and provide a glimpse of what your content offers. Avoid clickbait tactics, as they may damage your channel's credibility in the long run. Complement your titles with vibrant, high-quality thumbnails that visually represent the content, using compelling imagery that piques curiosity.